Guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain some of the Groovy scripts which are very much useful in all of your projects, and these are very small Groovy scripts, and these Groovy scripts I have picked because in my company when I train my trainees I used to teach them, because these are some Groovy scripts which are very much reusable, and you may need these Groovy scripts in all of your projects. So let's start with the first Groovy script. First, here in the first step, this is the default import which is there in the every default Groovy script, and this is the second one, which is import Java util hash map. So we have imported hash map classes as well for this. Now let's, as you know that this default process data is a default here, till this point it's a default. Now here you can see we have defined body and message get body. We did this. In the next statement you can see sleep 40,000. So this will sleep for 40,000. Your iFlow will get in sleep mode for 40,000 microseconds. Now you have to set body and then return the message. I will put this code in the my comment as well for this, and you guys can use this as it is. The most important thing is to understand the code, which I explained already. Thank you.